Welcome to building an online or blended course from A to Z. It's actually more like building a lesson or multiple lessons which will then be put into one course. 10 days is not long enough to build a whole course. So we're just going to look at one lesson that might go into a course. The first thing you're going to do is you're actually doing it. Start here as you're watching the course tour video, and here you're going to read about what the course is about, and I'm not going to read everything. If you wish to have a certificate at the end of this course, then you need to complete these 5 or 6 things. What else? We got a couple of great facilitators, Clint and Michelle. Of course, I am Christopher, you're the instructor. And what else? Let's go back. Sometimes having these navigations over here, you can go and bounce around a little bit easier. So here we are. So what the course is about. So the first thing, or after the second, so the first thing what you did was is watching the course tour video. You looked at what the course is about, and then the first step, anything that you need to do is the introductions. And I'll let you read that, but just to add a new discussion topic, you just click on there and scroll down. You add your subject, hello world, and then you type in your whatever you're going to do for your message, and then you scroll down, and then you post to forum. Just going to hit cancel and go back to navigation. And we're going to be putting news items in there right here in the question and forum. If you have any questions, technical issues, then you're going to put them in that area. And then the course is built into, we got course discussions, assignments, and here's our A to Z, a glossary. I got 3 or 4 of the important ones right at the top and the rest of them down below. So let's just have a quick look here at course discussion and forums. And so there's 3 of them. So you're going to, we'll just click on the content. And this one is where do teachers or instructional designers get their content? And then the second question is, should all the content be inside the learning management system, or do we not have a learning management system? So I want you to think about that. So we just looked at the content, the glossary. I was just going to show you that, but let's go show you something else here. So these are all terms that I think you should know about. Assessment, what about color, communication, culture, discussions. So I'm going to let you go through each one of those. And then the important ones are objectives, the content, and assignments or assessments, and what should go into each one. And I think those are the most 3 important. These other ones are important, but I think these 3 are the most important. And what I want you to do for glossary forum is add to one of these or come up with a new one that we can put into here. And you can see they're all in alphabetical order. So that's a glossary form, is you're going to add to that. And then the assignment forum, and this ties in, this assignment, step 4 ties in with step 6. Before you submit your final assignment, is we're going to put the assignment into the forum to get feedback from other learners and the facilitators and myself. So what we're looking for is you're going to create a lesson. So what's the course name, lesson name, what grade level? Are there government learning objectives in BC? Where provincial learning objectives, and so we have those. And then what are the learning objectives? So you're going to go look at the other into the content area of the course and see what it says about writing learning objectives. Content, you're going to have some content. Sequence of activities, which ties in with the content, and how are you going to assess that lesson. So you're going to come up with learning objectives, some sequence of activities or content, and how are you going to assess. So how you want to present that, I'm going to leave that up to you. And then as a response, You're going to respond to other learners, and what you're going to do is say, hey, I like that. I wonder if you can change that. And the good next step would be to do this. So you're going to get feedback from other learners on your assignment, and then you're going to make adjustments if you want to, and then you will go and put it back into the assignment folder. Okay? And the other thing that I would like you to do if you're going to get the certificate is social media assignment is post something on social media and about this course or about EdTech Open. And there's no here they say. So what you're going to do is take screenshots, and you can put the screenshots in a Word document or just merge them all together into a zip file and add it into here. Okay, so you're going to use the hashtag EdTechOpen for that. So step one, welcome. Tell us about yourself. The news and announcements, that's where we, the facilitators and instructors, will put some information. If you got technical questions, you put them there. The content form, that is, tell us where we're getting content or where you're getting content. The glossary form, so you're going to add to these. And you're going to put your assignment here first before the instructor, myself, looks at it. Then you're going to post 3 social media items using the hashtag EdTechOpen, and then your final assignment. And then if you scroll way down to the very bottom here, a final reflection, getting near the end, and the workshop feedback survey. Now, if you get, even though it says 10-day, if you get this all done in 5 days, then that's fine. You don't have to wait till the 10th day to come back and do your final reflection and the workshop feedback survey.